Hello, learners. Welcome to week 4 of the ALX Virtual Assistance Cohort 5. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to complete your week 4 milestone. So, this week 4 milestone it's more difficult than the rest. I mean, the level of difficulty is increasing. I mean, it's normal, though, but I'm going to help you. I'm going to show you how to do this on a mobile phone. Basically, because a lot of people don't have laptops. A lot of people are in this cohort and they don't have a laptop. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do this on your phone. If you have a laptop, good for you. It will be easier for you, but you can still watch this video and you'll be able to do it. You'll be able to complete it. So before I continue, I just need to show you all something. The last video I posted for week 3 milestone currently has 5.5k views. Yet the channel still has 558 subscribers. So if you have not subscribed, please just pause this video, click the subscribe button here, click it. If you are using a mobile phone, then click this notification bell and turn it on. That's all you need to do. It won't take up to 5 seconds of your time. It won't disturb you. It won't take anything out of you. It won't even use up your data. So please just pause this video before you continue. As long as you appreciate what I'm doing here, it's a way of supporting me, of motivating me to keep creating these video guides. So just subscribe, okay? As I've just shown you now, subscribe to the channel, then continue the video. All right, thank you very much. It will be easier for you if you have a laptop, but if you don't have a laptop, just watch this video and you'll be able to complete everything using your smartphone. All right, so before I continue, I just want to address some things that or some questions I've gotten since this week 4 started. First of all, it's the TripIt site. Okay, that TripIt site for creating your itinerary. It's you've not been a lot of people, or let me say, basically, you won't be able to access the site from the ALX course content. Why? Because the URL there is incorrect. The URL that they put there, they put TRIPLT instead of TRIPIT. So for those of you that have not been able to access this site yet, just go to your browser, type TRIPIT, that's tripit.com. Once you tap it, you'll be redirected to this site. You can see. Just let this load. Let this load. Let me just accept all cookies and make sure you tap accept all cookies and you see what to show next. You can see now, this is the site. You tap get started, log in with your Google account, or create a new account, or you just continue with Google, any one of them. So that is for TripIt. And also for the AI image generator side, that Microsoft Designer and Adobe Firefly part, a lot of people have not been able to access any of those sites. So there are alternatives. Okay, use Bing AI. Just go to your browser and type bing.com. You can see / bing.com/images/create. Okay, bing.com/images. Let me just type it all over. Bing.com. This is it here. Image creator in Bing. Just tap it and you'll be redirected to the site. You need to put, I think you need to put your, okay, you can just describe what you want to create. So let me say if it's a corporate, a woman dressed corporately, you just tap it. You'd have to log in with your Microsoft account. If you don't have one, you can create one, your Outlook email. Okay, so that's it for Bing. You can either use this one or there's another one, this AI test kitchen. Yeah, this AI test kitchen. Let me tap it and you can use this one. So the both of them are amazing sites for creating AI images, and they are so good. They are free. Okay, so I'm going to paste the links, all the links to all this. I'm going to copy everything and put them in the comment section. All right, I'm going to pin them to the comment section. So you just log in with your Google account. So that's it for those two. Let me go back to the portal, to the server now. So yeah, the first step is to create your travel pack. If you click this, you see all the all the things you are supposed to do. This one is just Google Slides. You have to work on the Google Slides. This one is the main work. Why this project plan? You read it. Google Sheets templates. There's a Google Sheets template I was given. Okay, you click on it, you make a copy, and then so let's begin. To complete this milestone, you need three things. You need the Google Slides app. Go to your Play Store or your App Store and download it. You need the Google Slides app. You need the Google Sheets app, and you need Kiwi browser, not Chrome browser. Go to your Play Store or App Store and type Kiwi. Let me spell it out for you. This is it. Kiwi browser. Okay. Type this in your App Store or your Play Store and download it. You can't use Chrome for this. Why? Because Chrome on your mobile phone it won't allow you install extensions, and you need an extension for it. Okay. So once you have these three apps, the first thing you need to do is you don't need to stress yourself about here. They said you should open a new Google Slides template. You don't need to stress yourself for this, okay? They already gave us a template before, a template for this thing that we are doing, this travel pack. They already gave us a template for this travel pack, and that's what we're going to be working on, okay? So earlier in the week, we're prompted to copy that travel pack. So open it in your Google Slides and make a copy of it. So if you've not made a copy of it, you need to go back. Okay, go back and make a copy of it. The link is somewhere there. I don't want to go back there because I don't want this video to be long. Okay, so just go back there and make a copy of it. So now let's go to Google Slides. That's where we're working on first. This is Google Slides. Okay. This is the app, and it should be available on your App Store or Play Store. So that travel pack that you copied is what you are going to work with. You can just make a copy of it, or better still, this is what I've done to make this thing easier for you, because I've already completed this milestone already. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to copy. This is mine. This is the milestone. You can see I'm going to share it. I'm just going to copy the link to this thing, and I'm going to add it in the comment section. Okay, so what you are going to do now is go to the comment section, check the pinned comment, and tap on it and make a copy of it. Okay, tap on it, make a copy. You won't be able to edit it because I did not grant you editing rights. I did not grant editing rights to this. So you tap on it and make a copy of it. Once you make a copy of it, you can now edit it, add your own name, your details and everything, and it just makes the work easier for you. Okay, it makes this week milestone easier for you. All right, so the first thing you have to do here is the name. You tap on these three dots here. Okay, so that's in the copy that you've made already. You'll see these three dots here. Click it, then tap rename here. See rename, tap rename. Sorry. Then you see rename here. Just tap rename, and then add your name, then the country that you choose, that you want to take a vacation, that you want to travel to. You put this dash, this hyphen or dash, wherever it is. Then the country, then another hyphen, then the dates in this format. Okay, this is first to 7th of September. That's the duration of the travel. Okay, so I'm traveling on the 1st, I'm coming back on the 7th. So this is how you are going to name your presentation. Okay, so once you've done that, the next thing you need to do is just open it. So I'll just open it by tapping it. You can decide to do your own from scratch. There's no one is stopping you. But if you want the work to be easier for you, want this milestone to be easier for you, just go to the comment section and make a copy of my own template. So this is how it's going to be on your phone. Okay, so what you want to do now is just tap on it and tap edit slide. It's going to come out like this. Then tap on this text, then you are going to double tap it. Okay, you double tap it, then you edit the name. See this blueprint that is here, just remove it, put your own name. Okay, this is my own name that I put here. Don't ask me why my name is Blueprint. Okay, so put your name there. If your name is Ajayi, put it there. Then in this Canada, you're going to replace it with the country that you want to go to. If you want to go to Canada, you can leave it as Canada there. Then the date, you change it and what? You put the duration. Okay, your own duration. So I think that one is explanatory enough. Okay, so that's it. You're done with the introductory page already. Then the next page is the content. This table of content. If you are using my slide, this presentation that I created, if you are using this presentation, then you won't need to edit anything here. But I've not linked this one yet to any page because I want to use this as an example to show you how you can link a text to a page, to a specific page on a Google slide using your mobile phone, okay, on a presentation. All right, so what you need to do here is I want to link this table of content, this one, this number one, to this page so that when anyone taps on it, just like any of these ones, it will just redirect the person to this side. So what I'm going to do is, first of all, I'm going to come to this page and check the slide, to this slide. Okay, I'm going to check what number is it. You can see at the bottom here is number 3. So I'm going to come back here and what, double tap it, double tap the text, then double tap it again so that it will be highlighted, then highlight everything. Click on these 3 dots, click insert link, then you click slides. Click these slides here. You can see it. Click slides. Then you can see this number of slides. Remember it's number 3. So I'm going to click slide 3. Then good. You can see that it has changed color now and it's now underlined. That means I've already linked this text to slide 3. Right. So that's it for the table of contents. Then for this entry and exit requirements, the milestone says what you should where is it? You should research visa requirements for your destination. Okay, create an entry slash exit requirement slide and add list of requirements to it. So for this side, what you need to do is, it's not difficult at all. You don't need to stress yourself going to Google to search this, search that searches. So for mine, my own country is Canada. If you are using Tokyo, or let me just use Canada as what I chose as an example, what you are going to do now is you are going to go to gemini.google.com. You are going to use AI to do this. Okay, so you go to your Google Chrome and you type gemini.google.com. Great. So in the text box, no. So here in the text box, what you want to type is, you type, I am traveling to, for me it's Canada. Okay, I am traveling to Canada. Create or you search, you type, search the web for entry and exit requirements. Okay, give me how many, let me just say give me four, or let me say give me two each, and give me, and add 2 of the links you got your information from. You can see how simple it is. So if it's Tokyo that you choose as your country, or it's Ghana that you want to go for vacation, or it's any country that you choose, just change this Canada and put it there. If it's Tokyo, put Tokyo. Use this prompt that I typed here. Okay, then you tap go, you send it to Gemini. So what Gemini is going to do here is, it's going to generate it's going to check the web for the entry requirements for Canada. You can see valid passport. Your passport must be valid for at least 6 months. Then this ETA, electronic travel authorization. Okay, so exit requirements, no specific requirements. Check your visa. All right. Then for the links, you can see that it has added the 2 links because the milestone said you should create the entry and exit requirement slide, add the list of requirements to it, and include two links to the website under the what the exit and entry requirements. So what you are going to do here is just, you can see, just come to the top here, or where is the copy? Okay, you see these dots here, you see these three dots here, tap on it and you copy. Tap on it and copy. All right, then you come back to your slides. You come back to the slide, and the next page is you are working on the entry slash exit requirement. You see, come to the next page, you can see it. For the entry side, just you can just double tap it, then select everything. You can select everything here, then paste this. You see, it's going to come out too long. So before you do, it's even better if you have a notepad on your phone. Or let me do it like that. Let me go back. Let me undo this. It's better if you have a notepad. You should have a notepad on your phone. Paste it on your notepad and copy. Undo. Paste it on your notepad and copy the entry requirements from that text that we copy from Gemini. You copy it and what you paste it here. I already did mine. You see, passport with expiration date, not more. This is even what is in the travel pack. Okay, this is what is in the travel pack. I did not even edit it. The only thing I edited is this return flight ticket. So for this page, you can even leave it because it's the same. It's practically the same for all the countries that you'll be visiting. But if yours is different and you want to change it, then that's what you do. You copy the entry, you check the entry requirements on Gemini, and you type it here. All you need to do is just double tap it, then delete, and what you type it. For the exit too, you type the exit. Then for the link, see where I added the links. Two links. What you need to do is what? See this plus icon at the top here. You tap it, is for insert, and then you tap insert text. See text that I tapped here. Then you just paste the links for the reference, and okay, the two links that you were asked to paste to add to the slide. You put it here, then you let me just type something so that I can move this. Double tap it and just type anything here. Good. Then let me tap this. You see, if you want to move it, just hold it and move it. Oh, sorry. If you want to just hold it and what? Move it. If you want to bring it down and leave it. Okay? Hold it like that. That's how you move it about. And if you want to delete it, you what? Tap it and hold it. And you see this delete icon at the top. You delete it. Alright, so that's it for this page. Then for the next page is etiquette and cultural expectations. The same thing you need to do. Go to Gemini and type what? You go to Gemini. Let me go back to Gemini. You type what are, or you tell Gemini to research said at least two etiquettes. Okay, research two etiquettes and cultural expectations. Then in brackets you put do's and don'ts for living in, and don'ts, okay, and don'ts that I need to be aware of if I'm traveling to Canada. Then you send it. You can see. If I tell it arrange this as arrange them in, let me just type do's and don'ts. Okay, great. So you can just copy this, and what, you go back to your slides, and you paste it here. For mine, I just this is the same prompt I used for mine on Gemini. Okay, just, and that's what I did. Just search. You just need to search, what are the etiquettes and cultural expectations, in brackets, do's and don'ts, okay, for living in Canada. If the text is too much, you tell it again, you prompt it, you tell it paraphrase this or summarize this. Then it will give you a shorter one, or you tell it shorten it. Okay, once it shortens it, you copy it and you come here. You what? Double tap this and double tap again. You can select everything and what? You clear it and you paste your own. Okay, you paste your own here. Or if you feel it's still the same thing, then you can just leave this page. You don't need to edit it if you don't want to stress yourself. Because this one, it's not really like specific. Everything that is here, or apart from this Canada here, you can change this Canada here to your own, to the country that you choose. If it's Tokyo, you can change it to Tokyo here. Okay. But apart from that, everything here is general, so you can even leave this page without editing it. All right. But I'm just showing you how to go about it in case you are doing it later for, let me say, for a client or someone else. All right, for practice, and you want to do it from scratch. Okay, so that's it for this page. The next page is what? Event information. Come here. The table is already here. All you need to just do is what? Edit this. Depart Nigeria. Arrive. Change the Canada to your own country. Okay, and what you are doing here in this events page is what? In this event information is, you are going to research, or you just think of the activities that you want to do, when you arrive in that country that you are going to visit. Okay, the activities, maybe you want to see the Eiffel Tower, or you want to see, if you are going to Egypt, you want to see the pyramids. You add them here. Okay, and you add the date, September to second of September. Add the time, then you add the event here. Okay, so just edit all these things, edit it to your taste. Okay, that's it. The template is already here. You don't need to do much. That's it for this event information slide. Then you can just swipe again, swipe the budget, swipe here. For these budgets now, I've already made this thing so easy for you. So if you don't want to waste time in this milestone, all you need to do is just use this template. Okay, just edit everything, tap on it, this cost, edit it, put your own cost, or you leave it like that. But just edit it, so at least it won't be as if you just copied what I did, and and you just submitted it. Okay, so edit it. What will it cost for the visa application process for flight? You can also use Gemini for this. Okay, Gemini is connected to the internet, it's connected to Google. So instead of just going to search Google for this, ask AI, let's do all the search, let it search all the sites for you. Okay, for the information you need. So you can ask it, tell it what would be my budget to travel to? What should be my budget to travel to Canada? My budget for visa, for flights, for accommodation, for activities. Okay, so once you get all those costs, you come to the table, you come to this table. All you need to do is just, if you want to work on this course, you want to edit this 1,500, you double tap it. Okay, then you what? Okay, this is not for the 1,500. See, you double tap it and you edit it. So it's as easy as that. And if you want to create another table, because in the milestone it says that you should create this budget table on your spreadsheet and then copy it and put it here. But that's stressful. That's stressful when you can just create the table here on your Google Slides. So if you want to create this table, you just click on this plus icon here, this insert. Then you can see this place here. You can see table. You click on the table and you select the columns. We are going to use two columns just because you are going to. The only things that we are adding is just the item. You can see it here, and the cost. So the columns, you add 2 for it. And for the rows, they already gave us everything that we're going to add, the visa application process. If you go to the Savannah, you see everything in the milestone section. They gave us the visa application, they told us to add flights, accommodation, so everything. If you count everything, it's all the rows that we'll be needing is 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so let me come back to this insert table, columns 2 and rows. You just keep increasing it. See this arrow that I'm tapping here. Okay, if you want to decrease the tap here, then you will tap insert table. See, the table has been inserted. So it's as simple as that. If you want to edit it, just if you want to type anything here, you double tap it and you type. So if I want to type item, good. You can see that's how I created this table. No need to go to Google Sheet and start creating it and copying it. Okay, it's stressful on your phone. It's stressful to do that. It's very, very stressful. But I will show you how to do it though later. Okay, so let me just delete this table. Bring this down. Zoom in. Good. So for the next page, itinerary is the next page. So swipe your trip summary. This itinerary part, I've not edited it here. Let me delete this. Because for this itinerary aspect, they said we should use the Google Sheets template, okay, that they gave us in the cohort. Okay, in the Savannah, they gave us a Google Sheets template to copy. So that's what we're going to copy and paste here. All right, that's what we're going to copy and paste here. But I'm going to come back to this. So let's keep swiping. The next page is travel schedule. In this place, you edit it, the airplane that you want to use. If it's Peace Airlines, change the Emirates to Peace Airlines. If the first class, if it's business class, you change it. So just customize it to your taste. That's what you are doing here. So you are not just copying this my presentation and submitting it as your milestone. What you are going to do here is you are customizing it to your taste. Okay, customize it to your taste. This Canada, you change the country that you choose. Change it. You just double tap it, edit it, and you put. If it's Tokyo, if it's Ghana, you change it and you put your Ghana. Okay, so uh hotel confirmation. This one, how I got this image is I went to booking.com and I searched for hotels in Canada. I got this, I took the screenshot. I did this on my laptop though. You can do it on your phone. Okay, go to booking.com or your Chrome browser, search search hotels in Canada. You can even just, when you go to google.com, search hotels in Canada. Booking.com or any other site is going to come up. Tap on it, take your screenshots. If it's Tokyo, search hotels in Tokyo, take your screenshots, come here, and you what tap, come here, delete this. Let me delete this. Then you tap this insert, tap on insert image. You can see from photos, from camera. You click from photos and you choose from your gallery. It's as easy as that. So once you choose the image and it comes here, all you need to do is just you resize it. If you want to resize it, see this place here, see this dots here, this side, just tap on it and if you see, if you drag it, it's going to increase the size. If you want to move it around, just tap on it and hold it, then you see move it around. Centralize. When it's centralized, you see this red line running from the top of the sheet to the bottom, from the top of the slide to the bottom. Okay, and you are done. Okay, so for the next page, let's swipe. Okay, this is actually the last page though. This is the last page, so that's it. Let's come back to this itinerary part. So for this itinerary part, you need to go to that Google Sheet. Let's go there. I'm trying to make this video as short as possible. Google Sheets. I will search for this is the Google Sheets app. This is it, I guess. Yes, business trip itinerary templates, the one that you copied. Okay, so if you see this one here, look at this one. You can see that there are two business trip itinerary templates here. You can see this one has this kind of icon, this shared icon. This shows that it was shared. So this is the one that is viewed. You can't edit this one. But if you copied it already, you see it here. Your copy will be here. Okay, and you just need to what did I just tap? No, okay, deny. You just need to what? Tap on it and open it. Once you tap on it and open it, what you are doing here is just to fill it up. Fill it up. I already did mine already. You can see for the purpose, you can leave it as vacation. That's what you are going to do. For the destination, change it towards the country that you choose. Change the destination to the country. You can see departing flights, dates. Put the dates that you chose as your date of departure. Okay, the dates that you are entering the airplane, you are taking the flight, okay, to Canada. Departure location, Nigeria, of course, you can leave that. Departure time, you can leave that. Airline, if it's Peace Airline, Peace Flights, anyone, choose it. I chose Emirates as mine. Confirm. You don't really need to do much here, okay? The only thing you are going to edit is see this prepared for here. This prepared for, you can put your business name here, or you put your name there. Okay, put your name, and for the prepared by, yes, you are the one preparing it. Okay, so you put your name there too. Trip starts this, that's the departure date, and the trip, and that's the day you are coming back to Nigeria. Okay, so what you are editing here, just edit the arrival location, the flights, this flight number. You can put any random number here, the confirmation code, any random number there. So for this side, the returning flights too, the dates you are returning back from the vacation, the departure location, that's the country you are returning from. Everything, just as long as you can read, then you should understand everything that is here. Okay, change it, put everything. For the ground distance, you can put Taxify, Uber, or anyone, Bolt, anything here. For these meetings, change the meetings, put the street, city, contact person that you want to, because me, I'm going to miss Jeremiah in this thing. I'm going to miss Jeremiah in Canada. So I put Jeremiah there, and I put Toronto. So that's it for this. So once you are done editing this business trip itinerary sheet, what you are going to do now is, let me just zoom. We want to copy this. Okay, so you want tap on any page, tap on the first box. Okay, this because we want to copy everything from this purpose. No, we want to copy everything from this business trip itinerary. That's from this B1. Okay, so let me zoom out so that I can be able to select everything easily. So you tap on this B1, make sure you tap on the B1, then you click on it and tap on the B1. Let me still zoom it out a bit so it will be easier to work with. Let me zoom it out a bit. So tap on the B1 and you see that dot. There's a dot here. Let me zoom it out again. See these dots. These dots. Once you tap on it and hold it, and you tap on the dot and hold it. No. You tap on the dot and hold it and drag it. You see that it's selecting all the page. It's selecting all the cells in this sheet. So that's exactly what I want to do now. Okay, so that's why I'm zooming it like this. I'm zooming and then I'll just drag it. Good. Select the whole page. Select the whole sheet. You see how easy it is. Now, once you've selected it, just leave it. Then you tap on it again and hold it. Tap on it and hold it. Tap on it and hold it. You see this copy. Tap on it and copy it. So, after copying it, after selecting everything and copying it, if you have a PC, if you are using a laptop for this, okay, once you select everything, just tap and hold Ctrl C. Just tap Ctrl C, okay, to copy the whole cells in this table. That's after you've selected everything. You selected everything, okay. If you're an Android user, I just changed my mind. You're not going to be using this copying method, because if you use the copying method and you go to Kiwi browser, you are going to be able to paste it. Okay, fine. You'll be able to paste the spreadsheet, this table. You'll be able to paste it on your slides. But when you go back to the slides app, you will not be able to resize it on that app. It will frustrate you unless you have, I don't know, whether you have like a 32 gig RAM phone or 16 gig RAM phone or something like that. It will just be lagging badly, and even after you reduce it, it will still return back to the normal size. Okay, so what you need to do now is use screenshots. Okay, that's the option for you. That's the best option for you now. You just screenshot this sheet. Okay, crop the screenshots now. You crop the screenshots it will still give you the same what, it will still give you the same result instead of having to copy this table. You crop this screenshot and you save it. Okay, you screenshot this table, you just you zoom it, you zoom it out so that it will be like this, so that all the whole cells will show. Then you take the screenshot. Okay, but if you have a PC, just copy everything. Then you go to your sheets, you go back to your sheets.google.com, and you tap on the sheets. Let me go back to the sheets now. Let me go back to the sheets now. Okay. Okay, sorry, you go back to slides, not Google Sheets. Okay, this is it here. Google Slides, the Slides app. If you are using a PC, you go to slides.google.com. Then in this itinerary part, you just the next page after it, you can see this. You can see the table that I pasted. I was doing the screen recording, but to format this side, you won't be able to make it fit into this slide is a problem. So I will just tap on it and hold it and delete it. I will delete it. So if you're a PC user, you just need to click the sheet and you paste. You paste it. It's going to paste the table and you'll be able to resize it the way I taught you to. Okay. So you tap on the edge and you resize it and make it fit in. But since for those that are using a smartphone, what you now do is you tap on this plus icon. Tap on this plus icon. You tap on image. Tap on from photos. Those using PC can also do this too. As if you just take the screenshot and what. Great. You can see how easy. I can see this crop. Yeah, I can still crop this. And let me zoom first. Let me zoom in. I want to crop this side out. I want it to start here. Great. Let me zoom in, then resize this table. Resize this image rather. I'll resize it. Bring it down a bit. Good. And we are good to go. Don't see if you are working for a client and this is somehow it's tiny, it's too tiny, okay, and you can't do this kind of thing. So if you are working for a client, you wouldn't do this, you won't go this route. It's better you just attach the link to the spreadsheet. You just copy it and you paste it here on the sheet. We're only doing this because ALX said we should do it, that we should add the table here, but this table is too large to actually fit into these slides and still be legible. I mean, the content will still be readable. Okay, so what you do if it's a client you're working for, you can just add the link to the sheet. Okay, add the link to the sheet. So your clients will just click on the link and you'll be redirected to the Google Sheets where you can view the business trip itinerary that you created there. Okay, so it's that's it. That settles it. Let me just center this. Let me centralize this image. Good. So that's it for this slides milestone, this slide section. Now you want to share it, you need to share it, you need to copy the link. You click on these three dots here, click on the three dots and tap on share and export. Share and what export. You tap on manage access, change it from restricted, tap on change, and anyone with the link anyone with the link. Make sure that you leave it as viewer. Okay, leave it as viewer. Don't give any editing right. So this is the link. This link that I'm copying now, I'm going to add it I'm going to pin it in the comment section. Okay. So I'm going to the pin message that you see there. This link is going to be there. So you click on it, you make a copy so that you'll be able to edit it. Okay. Click on it, make a copy, and then you start following what is in this video. All right. So that's it. So once you copy that link, all you need to do is you go back to the portal. You come to this task section. You can see for this travel pack, here's where you just paste the link. Okay, so I'll just paste the link here and tap on save and done. Click done. Then we're going to the next one. So after clicking done, you just go to the next one, project plan. So this project plan is easy. So the link or the sheet of this, you must have already made your copy already earlier in the week, in that section where the project plan section. So just go back there. If you've not made a copy, make the copy of the project plan, that template. Then you go to your Google Sheets. So once you visit your Google Sheet, this is it. See the project plan. This is it. This is the one I copied already. You open it, and here you don't need to do much at all. This one is the easiest. It's so easy. What you were asked to do is just to list the things, the actionable things, the deliverables, everything that you need to do in order to graduate from this cohort and get a job. So the template itself already covers. You see, I did not even edit all these ones. This completes the VA program. Sign contracts with 3 clients. Start with working with clients. Everything like this is, you see it on your template as it is. Okay, so and these ones are action items. Even the date save is kind of accurate. Okay, the date is kind of accurate. You can just edit the end date, the start date, to your edit is the way you like. Okay, and then you just choose status, job search. You know how you do it. Behind, in progress, you select anyone, not anyone. No, you know what you are doing. You are editing, you are customizing it to your own taste. Because I can't tell you what to do. Okay, this is your own project plan. Okay, so from this enrollment now, you can see they mentioned that we must add the graduation. We must add complete milestone 8 before graduation. And you can see in this sheet, there's only enrollment. After enrollment, it went straight to job search. No milestone 8 and no graduation. So what we're going to do here is let me just uh zoom this out so that we can copy it and move it down. So this is what we're going to do. From this job search side, we just select it all. Tap on the job search. From that A5 cell, then you select it all to the end date. Okay, to the end date. Then you tap on it and hold it. Then you bring it down just a bit. So just a cell, we're bringing it down below. Or 2, we're bringing it to 7 so that we can add milestone 8 and graduation cells. Okay, so this is where it was before. I hope you can see this. So it's in number 5, cell 5. They were bringing it to cell 7. Just hover it above cell 7, then release it. Great. You see how I did it? That's it. So in this place, I'm just going to tap on this cell, that cell, and add complete. I'm now add milestone. Then yeah, I'm going to add complete week 8 milestone. Great. Then owner, me, of course. Then start date. You can check the VA calendar for the week 8. I'm not sure of it, so I'll just put any random date for this. So that's it. For the end date, you can complete the milestone within a day, or let me just add 13. So 13 September and 24. All right, so that's it. For the next one, graduation, graduate and get certificates. So that's it. You just populate this, okay? There are still things you can add. You can add creating your LinkedIn profile, optimizing your LinkedIn profile, creating your CV, optimizing your CV, revamping your CV, revamping your LinkedIn profile, creating an account on Upwork, all those things. So all the things that you know they are going to need to do. All the things you need to do before you can start, job searching and you can get your first job. Just populate it, okay? So it's basically you are basically planning. This is your project, okay? You are planning it. So once you are done, I can basically submit this one like this now. I can submit this one. Let me just add me here. Let me just add me, and I'll submit this. Tap on that tick there so that you save the sheet. Then you click these 3 dots here. These more options: share and export, uh, manage access, manage access, change from restricted to anyone with the link. Great. Then you would tap on the link icon. Hold on. Great. tap on the link and link copy to clipboard. Then you go back to the portal and you paste it. Let me submit my travel pack URL again. Hold on. On my pinned. Okay, this is it. Save. Done. Okay, for the projects plan, the sheets link, you paste it here, save, and click done. Then you come here and tap on next. That's it. You are done already. You are done with week 4. So you can see the milestone 100% done. You can see that it's showing 100% done here. Everything here is showing 100% done. If it's anything is showing 50% done, that means you did not click that done box. Because I see a lot of complaints of people saying that, oh, my this thing is showing 50% done, it's showing 25% done. That means anywhere you see that done check box, let me show you again. Make sure you are clicking it. Make sure you are clicking this done. Make sure you click it, okay? Make sure you click it. After, okay, see, it's double. Let me just remove one. Let me remove one. Great. And that's it. You're already done with your week 4 milestone. There's nothing really hard about this. I've made it very, very easy for you now. So the link to the slides template is in the YouTube comment section. I'm going to drop it in. I'm going to pin it to the YouTube comment section. I'm also going to add it. I'll add it to the video description too. Okay, so click on it and edit it to your taste. Then you copy the link, come here, submit it. Your project's plan, so you already have the copied documents. Add your this thing, populate it, then copy the link and paste it here. Okay, so that's it for your week 4 milestone. Make sure that you subscribe. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, and also in the comment section I'm going to leave a link to our WhatsApp channel. So if you are not following there for updates, make sure you click on it and follow the WhatsApp channel. Man, this is so exhausting. Y'all have a nice day.